All right, today we're working on another ML350. It's going to be a spare key situation. Basically, here's the customer key. They purchased this car with one key. It wasn't able to get another key, so we have two other keys we just cut. As you see, the buttons don't work yet, nor does the chip work because it won't start. See, it shuts right off. So we'll come back in a little bit with both keys programmed. All right, we're done. This puppy's done. Here we go. Let's look at the buttons. Key one. Let's grab this other one here. Both keys now are cut, programmed. Well, it was cut before, but they're both programmed. So the chip actually starts the car. Here we go. That's the second key. This is going to be the third key. And that's about it. Y'all need my help, give me a call or go to the website. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. If you're in the Georgia area or nearby surrounding states, just set up a time with me and you can just drive up and I'll take care of it. I need about an hour of your time and I'll get these keys programmed for you. Thank you.